Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing the question 8 of chapter 1 type C from Sumita Arora class 12 computer science textbook. The question is basically to enter a date in the month, date, year format and then printing it in another format of the name of the month, then the day, comma, year. So let's start. So firstly, we will take input in integer form. So that would be our variable date is equal to int input, enter the uh, date in mmddyyyy format. That's a very integral step for this. Now we can actually start figuring out what how we'll transform it. So well, we can actually get the month quite easily. What will the month be? Well, the month will just be the date, or what you would say, the floor division of the date, which would be typed like this: date of floor followed by one six zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now, why six zeros? Well, because mmddyy mmddyyyy will have 8 digits. Floor will remove ddyyyy, right? Right? So that's what we have. Month name will literally just be uh, we'll create a month list, but it would be the index of a month list. So now to do this, you have to also create a month list, which I will put in the beginning. Month list. Now there are some modules you can actually import a module to do this, to get this months automatically, but uh, it's simpler to just type out all the months manually. All that's quite time consuming, but you can just type in the 3 letter format, which is very easy. So I already so type the month now, and that is how I'm going to figure out the month name. So now I will do my day, or yeah, day and year. So let's start that. For day and year, you have to remember, since date was entered as an integer, if was less than 10, say if it was like 05, so right now today date is 5th, means 22nd May 2024, May the 22nd 2024. So if it's going to be 05, then will just be 5 and not 05. So that will actually, we'll have to actually update, check if it's less than 10 or not, and then we have to adjust our indexes. So for this, we can simply just say that, actually it's simple, we can just say that uh, date is equal to string of date. You can just convert a string so we can actually do this, and then you do it. So if you do, it's a condition, right? So you do if the integer integer form of date, and since it's now a string, I can just do an index. So uh, I can do 2 right? Sorry, not this. I mean, this is not. I just forgot. If, and say month is less than 10, because you already did the month before, so you'll have it. If month is less than 10, right, then day is equal to, it'll just be equal to date of, and since it's less than 10, it won't be start from 0 5, it'll just be 5. So it'll literally just be MDDYYY and 4y. So then it will actually start from 1 instead of starting from 2, and the 3 is our day, and our year will just be date and 3 onwards, because MDD is 0 1 2, so it starts from 3, and that is our year. But, and then you can just put else for this, else day is equal to date 2 to 4, and the year is equal to the date from 4 onwards. That's it. And then you just do output print uh, month name, comma, and then you put your the day you want, which would be this day, and then you put a comma as ask there, and then you put here, and then this should give us a good correct answer. So I will type today's date, 05/22/2024. That's May 2nd, 2024, which is the correct answer, and that shows the how that this program is indeed correct. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the channel, share the video, and request any programs from the 11th or 12th standard portions that you would like to see or that need help with. I am going to be trying to post every day, um, and I will do my best to improve the quality of these videos. They can be definitely be better. So with that, thank you for watching and goodbye.